Oh, hey everybody. This will be a good time for an intro. I'm Bill, and this is the start of my victory garden. Hey everybody. It's day 2 of the fire pit redesign. So one of the toughest things has been picking through the stone pile. Let me show you what I mean. See this stone? Not easy to sort through. By the way, if you're wondering why there's so much stone, it's because I have leftover projects from around the house. So some of these stones are flat on the back, shaved, others are rounded, and I'm just trying to pick out ones that will sort of make a good design around the fire pit. So this is day 2. I'm going to show you a little bit more. I'll cut and go to the fire pit area once I've carried stone over and stone dust. Beautiful day to be out with the fire pit. All right, everybody. Wind's blowing. Day 2. Let me give you a shot of where we're at. Here's a little bit of a bird's eye view. That's looking down at the fire pit. I've got my trowel, my stone dust, some rocks set out, and I'm going to start putting stuff together. This is the part in the fire pit where I'm dropping stone dust in between the cracks. It's kind of fun. You just sweep it in and it slowly seals. And this is the first round of stone dust. There'll be another round because it has to settle a little bit. I'm going to spray it with water to tighten it up. But I'm about halfway done. Let me give you a wide shot. This has stone dust. I know it looks all dirty. I'm going to clean that up. That part doesn't, and that part doesn't. So I'm going to get to it now. I'll put the camera down, but you can take a look as I sweep it in. Hey everybody, Bill at My Victory Garden. Technically, this is day 3 for the fire pit. I'm going to show you the progress we made on it. Oh, here, that's the big wolf if anybody's interested. Are you the wolf? Okay. Here we go. Walking out to the fire pit. So, here's where things currently stand. You missed me hauling out all this stone to the area, and this is only half of what I'm going to use. Take a look. Go closer up. And here's a bird's eye view of the fire pit as it stands. So this is going to be, this stone is to ring the outer circle and lock everything in. Although remember, I'm using a dry lay. This is just stone dust. That way I can always adjust it if need be. Quick explanation of what I'm doing. This is a dry lay, so I needed a border seal on the perimeter to keep everything together. So these flagstone rocks are perfect. So I'm sort of setting them in a circle. As you can see, I'm eyeballing it. And I'll fill in the sides here with more stone dust so that everything will be tight. And it'll get tighter over time, meaning as it rains, as moss grows, this will continue to tighten down on these stones that I have used. So it's a slow, painstaking process. This is day 3, but well worth it, I hope, in the end.